I've lost over 200 pounds. Let's recreate another one of my viral recipes. My 2-minute low-carb lasagna. Let's make it. You'll need some just like pasta sauce or pizza sauce, whatever you want. Rao's, you guys know I can't talk, has a pizza sauce. It's lower in sugar. You can get a no sugar added pasta marinara, whatever you want. It's whatever you prefer. Lower the sugar, the better, right? We'll use anywhere between 1/4 cup and 1/2 cup. It just depends on how saucy you like your stuff, okay? Now you're gonna need some low carb mini tortillas. And I'm just gonna put one down like that. A little bit more sauce. Now I have some lean ground beef here. I have already seasoned this: garlic, onion powder, pepper, Italian seasoning. I really try not to use salt because I have a weird thing with salt. I don't like things being too salty, but you want salt, definitely salt that up, okay? And this is 2 ounces. I'm gonna use about half of this for this layer. More sauce. It's just about layering. And sometimes, guys, honestly, I will mix the sauce in with my meat. It's just whatever you wanna do, okay? I'm gonna need cottage cheese. You know Daisy is my girl. That's the way I like it. Usually I do about 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. If you wanna do more, go ahead. 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. If you do not like cottage cheese, use ricotta cheese, okay? I've done both. And if you don't want to use ricotta, use a Laughing Cow cheese, the garlic and herb one. Delish, all right? Now we need another low carb tortilla. Layer on the top. You can season anything as you go, however you like. More sauce. Like I said, 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. That's what's gonna range your calories on this. Depends on how saucy you are. All right, and then the rest of our burger. You can use sausage too, whatever you want. A little more sauce. It does make it easier if you do mix the sauce in with the burger. Sometimes I like doing it like this. You're gonna need some mozzarella. Yes, I am gonna put my hand in my bag, guys. It's my bag of cheese. Someone did not like that. I'm sorry, it's my bag of cheese, okay? So I'm gonna do about 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella. You can do more if you want. So it just really depends on you. You can multi-layer this, however many layers you want. It really just depends on your calories and macros for the day. And just a little bit of cheese-flavored sawdust on top. Now it's Chef Mike's turn to heat this up. I call it a 2-minute low-carb lasagna because I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And there you have it, my 2-minute lower-carb lasagna. It's not keto, it's just a lower-carb version of lasagna that helps you be able to control your macros. And it's super easy to meal prep these. You can make multiple of these and then just pop them in the microwave during the week as you go. Super quick, super easy, and super delicious. Hope you'll make it. Let me know if you like it.